Sanctuary of Guadalupe, Ginny Rocío Arcinigas Mendoza, English 3. Activity Speaking Assignment. Until Bogotá's Hill rests a sculpture of the Virgin of the Immaculate Conception. People from Bogotá and students come to this place to keep promises or just to enjoy the view. During Holy Week, a greater number of visitors and pilgrim programs are received. The atmosphere is kept to visit as a family which allows visitors to disconnect from the city as long as they are safe. His visit towards this capital is beautiful in the day, and at night you can breathe a pure and comforting engage. Also, the roads are places where they sell handicraft, religious items, and traditional food areas. I recommend you visit this beautiful place. Thank you.